Welcome. I'm going to talk about a do-it-yourself project for how to add some mosquito netting to the back of your Topo topper when it's all open, the tailgate's open, and the top is flipped up. Because as much as I love camping, I really do not like mosquitoes. So I was searching around for a solution. Couldn't find anything until I found these people living in a bubble, and they make a series of magnetic fly screens for the rear of a camper. I ended up choosing the small size and found out that it fit very, very well. It's made out of a really nice material. But I obviously was going to have to make some adjustments because the magnets don't stick to aluminum. So here you can see I've laid out the mosquito netting on the street here, and also comes with the storage bag you can see on top. And it's pleated, so the dimensions that you get will give the dimension at the top, but then it's also flexible on the sides to reach across the opening. It ended up being longer than I needed, but that wasn't really a problem. It's made out of a really very sturdy and soft material with that single zipper going up the middle, which has two zips so you can zip it up and down. So then going on to how was I going to get this attached? Well, I decided to add some metal bars. These are just 3/4 inch. There's two of them 3 foot long, and I ended up using both of them, cutting them up to fit in the spaces just inside the back edge of the Topo topper. And I'll have a picture of that in a few minutes. Also used Gorilla double-sided tape, which you can see I stuck on the individual pieces that I cut. It worked out very well. The only thing that I can say is it's sometimes hard getting the protective clear coating off of the tape, but I've found that a razor blade or a utility knife slipped underneath helps to get that tape off, or the coating off. Once they're cut, you can see there's different segments because there are obviously some objects like nuts and bolts or other things that keep you from keeping one solid piece. But there was enough there to provide plenty of contact for the different magnets. And I stuck them on. It was a warm day, and so far they've stuck very well. This is what it looks like with mosquito netting hung. It, like I said, it has a nice pleated fashion, sticks onto the metal strips that I stuck, and then also to the tailgate of the truck. The end, as I mentioned, was too long. I just sort of rolled it up around the bottom. It doesn't seem to be any problem because you can move the zippers up and down, and makes it very easy to get in and out. Plus, as a bonus, I discovered that you can completely close the rear with the mosquito netting in place. So thanks for watching.